Hey, my bunnies. Here is the honest step-by-step process of how I made over $22,000 in exactly 2 weeks because of posting on TikTok. No, I did not pay for ads. No, I did not have a million followers. And no, I did not open an OnlyFans page. So listen up. Here are the 2 weeks of last year where I launched my first product and I received all my payments on PayPal at that time and I made over $22,250 right in those 2 weeks. I started my TikTok at the beginning of the COVID pandemic when I had lost my city job, the job that was supposed to be there for me no matter what. I got let go because of COVID and I was left to collect unemployment checks and I was waiting for the stimulus check to arrive. At that time, I started to slowly post on TikTok, not knowing where it would take me, just using it for fun. And then when I started posting 4 times a day, very seriously, around May of 2020, I noticed that I was gaining more traction and I was getting boosts of views. Here's just a quick view of my TikTok right now with 356,000 followers. And yes, this is very true. Make sure you read the community guidelines within TikTok so that this never happens to you. It's because I showed a little bit too much skin and this is what I got. Um, be consistent. 4 times a day is what I recommend. Gary Vee will say up to like 12 or 20, something crazy like that. TikTok's AI is so advanced, it knows exactly where your followers are. It's pretty shocking at how good it was at attracting these people. So I have a fitness background. I used to work at Equinox and I thought, well, how about I start teaching people workouts in these like 17 to 30-second videos. After I was listening to everyone's comments and DMs, I realized I needed to create a better product that people can actually follow a complete workout, right? Instead of these short mini workouts, how about I give them a complete workout that they can do? And that's when I thought, I could create my first product in a very cheap way, which is ebook. I used all my unemployment check money. It was a gamble, it was a risk that I took, but I had a good feeling that this is going to do well because I had gained a bunch of email subscribers that were interested in getting notified about my ebook. So that's something that I really recommend you do before you even create your first product. Start building an email list now because those are going to be your most hardcore fans that really do want to know when you release your first product or your next products. So this is a great way to keep in touch. Build an email list right now so that you can have your customers' information in one spot and it's easy to reach out to them whenever you need to because you don't know if they're going to watch your videos at the time that you release it or if they'll ever see it, you know? I want you to set out to create a brand. You're not going to just be a model that dances or does cutesy things. You're going to have a voice and you're going to have a style. You're going to be a character. Stand out, okay? I didn't just set out to be another fitness model. I set out to be a workout mama bunny and you better freaking do it or else I'm going to come get you. That kind of attitude with a lot of pastel colors, with a sexy ASMR voice when I choose to use it, etc. So I want you to also see yourself as a brand. Please watch Gary Vaynerchuk for more information about how to create content, how to be aggressive with creating content, and how to do it even when you don't feel like it and you feel like, you don't have any ideas. Gary Vee said to watch TikTok for 3 to 4 hours a day. This is the only way you're going to understand what videos get pushed out, what videos do well, especially within your niche. So whatever niche you pick, so like fitness, I would watch hours of other fitness girls showing their workout routines, what they eat in a day, and health advice, etc. But after watching that, I got ideas of like, okay, I see what TikTok likes. I think I could play this game. But I'm going to put my spin on it. I'm going to add my voice on it. I'm going to add my attitude on it. I'm going to add my pop of colors. I'm going to do my own. I'm going to do it my way, but within that game. The more you watch, the more you're going to get it. Don't pay someone else to do it for you. They can never have your perspective, your spice, your personality that only you can bring to your videos. When I went to create my ebook, I was like, okay, I need a photo of me on the cover. I want it to look professional so that people know that I'm legit. I called my mom to take a picture of me in my living room. That was free. Then I sent that photo to a guy on Fiverr.com who, for like 15 bucks, edited my photo onto a different background that looked way prettier and blurred it out so that it looked more real and not cheesy. Fiverr tends to be like quick, easy, dirty work, and then Upwork tends to be very like talented people that normally charge a lot of money for their professional services. So I went on Upwork to get the font really cute and to just organize the inside of my book in a way so that it looked like a nice, cute book. And it was easy for the readers to look at. Then it was my job to record all the YouTube workout videos that were going to be uh, attached to every exercise, right? So anytime someone clicked on an exercise within my ebook, it would directly take them to my private YouTube video that has like a 2 to 5 minute video of me personally explaining how to do the exercises correctly and how to modify it if necessary. Then I hired a website guy on Fiverr.com. He put my ebook and my PayPal link on WordPress. So you could do this on WordPress or you could do it on Shopify. These are two good sources for a newbie to start with. WordPress requires someone that's really, really good at making websites, so it can get expensive. Shopify is like easier to figure out on your own or like find tutorials on YouTube if you really need to. So I actually recommend Shopify. I wish I would have started there. I think I would have saved a couple $100. However, I had some unemployment money. I was still in debt, but I was determined to make some money up front using this product. I was betting everything I had on it. So don't be afraid to bet a lot of money on your first product, especially if you're getting a lot of people saying, yeah, I want to buy your product. I will subscribe to your email as proof that I'm interested. They say at a conservative number, maybe like 10% of your email subscribers will actually buy it. But my numbers were much higher because TikTok really has true fans, like true followers that love you and get you and they want to support you. They're really on your side. So my percentage was more like 25% of my email subscribers actually bought my products. And most of my sales were from my email subscribers, surprisingly. Yeah, sure, some of my videos got over 1 million views on TikTok, but it wasn't primarily the people that watched that. It was the people that were already subscribed to my email that saw me say, hey, the book is out now, you can get it now. And people clicked that link and it took them to my WordPress website and they bought it. So make sure you constantly promote, sell, sell, sell. Don't be shy. This is something that you worked hard on and that you know will help your customers. Then be proud of it and over deliver so that when you go to bed at night, you always feel good that you did a lot for your customers. I always let people DM me, email me anytime if they bought my book, and I help them as much as I can. I ask them to send me videos of them working out. I calculate their macros with them. These are things that I'm going above and beyond for. People charge thousands of dollars for this kind of work, but I do it because I love my bunnies, and this was me starting out my business at the end of last year, and I wanted to really let it build. Another guy I recommend you follow if you are an entrepreneurial spirited bunny is Grant Cardone. He is the best salesman I know, and I've learned so much about sales because of him. If you want to make money, you got to know how to do sales, period. There you go. I used a lot of that money that I made from my ebook to create my second product, which was a physical product, and I can create a YouTube video about that later. Please subscribe to my email, subscribe to my YouTube, and I will go more into this. I would love to see your comments if this helped, and then I will make some more. Love you.